In this ukulele video, we're going to learn the most popular jazz bossa nova pieces ever, but also one that's probably disliked the most as well. This one is the Girl from Ipanema. A 1, 2, 3, and... Each one she passes goes. When she moves, she's like a samba that swings so cool and sways so gentle. But when she passes each one, she passes goes. Oh, but I watch her so sadly. Tell her I love her. Yeah, I would give my heart gladly, but each time that she walks through the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at me. Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes I smile, but she doesn't see. She just doesn't see. All right, there it is. What a fantastic song. I've mentioned this in other videos. When you're doing the rhythms, they're going to change slightly. I'm not a machine, especially when you're singing. Those rhythms are going to flow with the lyrics. So, if you say, hey, you didn't play that rhythm exactly the same as you taught us the whole time, that's totally common. And I do that generally anyways. But especially with this stuff, if you're singing, you got to get into it. It's more about the feel of the song rather than being so strict. So once you get it down, right, got to get it down, then you can loosen it up. So anyway, this is a fun one. It is a hard one, but this is a great song. This is the Girl from Ipanema. This is our uke song challenge. Again, you can sign up below. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.